Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a virtual meeting with Microsoft Teams, full guide step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Teams on your computer or mobile device. Sign in with your Microsoft account if you haven't already. Locate the Teams icon on the left sidebar. Click on the calendar option to access your scheduling features. In the top right corner, find and click the New Meeting button. A new window will appear for setting up your meeting. Fill in the meeting title in the provided field. Select the date and time for your meeting. If needed, adjust the duration of the meeting. Choose whether to make the meeting a recurring event. Add attendees by typing their email addresses in the designated field. You can also select specific teams or channels to invite. In the description box, include any relevant details about the meeting. Set your meeting to be an online meeting by ensuring the option is checked. Decide if you want to add a physical location, or leave it blank for virtual only. Review the information entered to ensure accuracy. Once satisfied, click the Save button to schedule your meeting. Your meeting will now appear in your Teams calendar. You can edit or delete the meeting anytime before it starts. Prepare any materials needed ahead of time, such as presentations or documents. On the day of the meeting, open Teams and click on the meeting event to join. Make sure your microphone and camera are working properly before joining. Once in the meeting, engage actively and use the features like chat and screen sharing. After the meeting, consider following up with attendees via email or chat. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.